What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to be showing you how to install the RTR Gurney Flap on your 18 to 21 Mustang GT or EcoBoost Performance Pack. Inside the box, you'll find your RTR rear gurney flap, installation instructions, alcohol wipes, and adhesion promoter. For this installation, all you're gonna need is some automotive tape and a knife, and that's it. One thing that I cannot stress enough with the installation of this product is the proper preparation. Make sure that you follow all these instructions. The worst thing that you can do is not clean it, or maybe even take off all the tape and try and put it on all at once. That is not gonna work. You're gonna have an error and it's gonna be a bad day. So let's get into the installation. Using a mild soap and water solution, clean the entire OEM spoiler. This is gonna make sure that it's free of dirt, grime, and oils that are left behind by your hands. Then go back over and make sure it's completely dry, again making sure all the dirt and grime is completely free and no dust is left behind. Once dry, wipe down the entire area with the provided alcohol pad, and then take the adhesive promoter and wipe down the entire trailing edge where your contact patch will be. On the lower lip of the RTR Gurney Flap, create a cut line in the tape backing at the midway point of the gurney flap. Peel back about 1 inch of the backer on either side of the cut, and then wrap that around to the outer edge and tape it down in place. Also, peel and tape the backer on the outer edges of the gurney, as well as approximately 1/3 of the way in at the transition. With the tape backing still in place and the outer edges taped down, slide the gurney flap into place on the OEM spoiler. Firmly press down to seat the center section first, and then bring the outer edges in and onto the sides of the OEM spoiler. With the RTR gurney flap in place, begin removing the tape backer from underneath the lip. Pull back the backer from each end of the strip until it's completely out from underneath the gurney flap, then press firmly down to bond the entire section of tape. Pull the backer out from underneath the lower portion of the RTR lip spoiler and press firmly down to bond the tape in this section as well. I went back over the entire spoiler and pressed down firmly to make sure everything was seated and in place the way that it needed to be. If you like this product or any of the other great product we have available for the 18 to 21 Mustang GT or EcoBoost, make sure to check out rtrvehicles.com for this product and many others. And if you want to start looking fancy like myself or any of my other teammates, go ahead and check out any of our shirts, hats, or hoodies available on the website as well. I'm Jordan Wheeler with RTR Vehicles, and I'll catch you guys on the other side of fun. Whoa!